Welcome back, guys. Let us move further in our agentic YOLO journey and continue right where we left off. So, like you remember that our project is divided into two parts. One is AI agents and another is YOLO. So, AI agents is going to be taken care of with the help of Autogen, which we will talk in the future videos. And the remaining part is YOLO. In this video, we will talk in depth about what YOLO is and what is the significance of YOLO in our project. Let me go here and talk more about it. Let us talk about YOLO, guys. So YOLO stands for You Only Look Once, and YOLO is an algorithm which is being maintained by this open source community called as Ultralytics. Let us go into that community right in. Okay. This is the page of Ultralytics, and if you want to study about YOLO, what you can do is you can go to resources, best way to study about YOLO, documentation, and you can see how we have a lot of information about YOLO. Now, when we go here in the models section, we can see that there are a lot of versions of YOLO. See, there are a lot of versions of YOLO, and all these versions have different sizes. What do I mean by that is, see, like we saw that we have YOLO 1, 3, 5, 8, 11, all these versions. These all versions of YOLO are available in different sizes. Nano, small, medium, large, extra large. We'll see this in action when we will be coding YOLO right in next video. And let's talk about the tasks which are done by YOLO. So we can go right here, tasks. So the kind of tasks which YOLO does or is famous for is segmentation, detection, classification, pose estimation, counting, tracking objects. Yeah, this is what YOLO is famous for, guys. And if you want me to talk more about YOLO, which I will, of course, let me talk more about YOLO first, and then we'll talk about the kind of task it is doing. Now, the no name You Only Look Once comes from the word single shot detector, guys. YOLO is a single shot detector. If you know anything about deep learning, so I would like to put it as YOLO detects the objects in an image in only one forward pass. Okay, that's what YOLO does. So now if we talk about the working mechanism of YOLO, how it works is, let's say we have given the image of a cat as input. What YOLO is going to do is internally, it's going to divide the entire image into pixels. It's going to break down into pixels. And for each pixel, it's going to classify that whether it has the object or not. In our case, cat. For each pixel, it's going to go that is there a cat present or not? Yes, no, yes, no. For areas like these, there is no cat. But in the areas like this, the pixels like this, the cat is present. And after it has recognized in what areas it is present, it is just going to draw a bounding box around the object or the thing which we are going to detect. Okay, this is the 1000 feet overview of how YOLO works. If you want to read more about it, if you want to understand more about it, you can obviously go to YouTube. There are a lot of resources. Ultralytics itself is maintaining a YouTube channel which you can check out and you can learn about YOLO. Okay, now let me talk about the examples of different kind of tasks YOLO does. One kind of task is detection, which we spoke of. This was detection, okay, which we also called as localization. So what it is doing is, if we talk about this medical image example, this is a brain MRI image and it is detecting where exactly the tumor is. You can imagine how important this can be for a doctor or a radiologist. Early detection, which is what we call it. And these are the results given by different YOLO versions and different YOLO models. You can check out. Another type of task which YOLO does is segmentation. Now we can see that apart from detecting, it is also segmenting that area. That's why the name is segmentation. Okay. See, this is another example of segmentation where it is segmenting the cars from the image, and the other part is it is also able to track those cars. It is really important for traffic management, let's call it. So now we are able to understand how YOLO overall has a lot of use cases. Okay, and when we give this kind of superpower to our AI agents, you think what's going to happen? Okay, so stay tuned. We are coming up with those kind of videos. This is another application of pose detection where YOLO can detect poses, yeah, This can be extremely helpful to a physiotherapist where, she or he can monitor their patients from far away, that if they are doing the right kind of poses for what kind of exercises they have been given, and all those kind of applications. Yeah. So this was about YOLO, and I would definitely recommend you guys to check out what YOLO is, how it works, and everything. And this is your Bible to YOLO, guys. You have everything you want to know in here, and we can talk, see solutions, how YOLO is used in agriculture, healthcare, logistics, everything, robotics. If you want me to show you agriculture, see, it's being used in a very, very beautiful way, guys. It's a beautiful algorithm. Please check out. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Let's move in the next video and start coding the YOLO algorithm.